Coinbase has been stealing money from you right in front of your face, right under your nose. Are you gonna let them do that to you? Well, not if I have anything to do about it. Let me be your crypto Batman. Let me protect you from all these Coinbases that are trying to steal your tendies. Hard-earned tendies. In this video, I'll be talking to you about why on Coinbase, when I go to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, the Coinbase fee is $2.99, while on the little unknown site Coinbase Pro or pro.coinbase.com, which is the same thing as Coinbase, the fee is only 50 cents. And you can see that even when I buy $1,000, the fee is $14.68. And on Coinbase Pro, when I go to buy $1,000, it's only $5. And not only that, but if you look on Coinbase, the price is $48,985, while on Coinbase Pro, the price is $48,756. So that is about a $200 difference in price, which adds up eventually. So you might be thinking to yourself, oh, $3, $15, not even that much. But if you think about if you're someone who dollar cost averages and maybe have purchased 100 times, then that $3, $15, that becomes much more than just $3. And you could have been using that money to be buying these assets rather than just paying a stupid transaction fee. And if we go back to the example of $3 100 times, $300, you might be thinking to yourself, oh, $300 isn't even that much to me. But what if you put that into a crypto that had given you 1,000%? And that can definitely happen in the crypto space. So then that $300 would have actually been $3,000. So you're missing out on a lot of money without even really thinking about it if you're paying those kinds of transaction fees. So you're gonna be an amateur your whole life, or you're gonna upgrade to be a pro? Oh wait. Well, let me show you how to be a Coinbase Pro. So then first, what is the difference between Coinbase and Coinbase Pro? If you look right here, Coinbase is more of a brokerage and also serves as a crypto wallet. You can buy or sell digital currency from Coinbase using real fiat currency, while Coinbase Pro is more of an exchange, letting investors buy and sell from each other. There you go. So this is actually a really simple thing to do. All you have to do is go to pro.coinbase.com. Make sure it's exactly this. Anything else is a scam. So go ahead and log in, and you literally use the same login information as you would for the Coinbase website. But wait, it's not that simple. The Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are actually two different websites, so you have two different wallets. So what you have in Coinbase is not actually available for you to trade with on Coinbase Pro. So what you have to do is go to portfolios right here. And then once you're in here, you can click deposit. And if this is your first time, you should have a portfolio of 0. So go ahead and click deposit. And then you can deposit any of these assets from your Coinbase. So say you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, or whatever. All you have to do is click on it and then transfer it from Coinbase.com. So for example, I have some Stellar in my other one just from doing those free videos from Coinbase. And then click on Coinbase.com. On Coinbase.com, I have that many Stellar, and then I can transfer it to here. All you have to do is click max if you want to do the whole thing, and then go ahead and click deposit. And boom, you're done. And boom, it's right there. It's really that easy. You can transfer anything, your US dollars, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, anything from Coinbase to Coinbase Pro. And then all you have to do is go to trade, and then for simplicity, all you have to do is click on market, buy, sell, and it's that simple. There are other order types here, like limit orders, but if you're not familiar with those types of orders, just go ahead and click market, and that's what the current price is, and you'll definitely have a lot less fees here than normal Coinbase. And that's basically the video. Please hit that like button if this was helpful in any way. Subscribe if you're new to the channel and you want to keep updated with all the hottest news and educational content. And comment below how much money Coinbase has stolen from you already. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.